Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And recently, there is a new update on 1688 Chinese shopping app, which allow you to use different means of payment to supplier on 1688. However, you need to bear in mind that there are different types of 1688 Chinese shopping app. There is one of global fashion, and where there is one of Chinese fashion. So if you are the type that are using the global fashion, which is this one you can see on my screen right here, you're going to have everything in English language right here, and at the same time you have multiple means of payment, which I'm going to explain to you right here in this video. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or iPhone, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said in the beginning of this video, there is a new update which allow you to use different means of payment on 1688 to pay your Chinese supplier for whatever product you buy. Now, if I click on me right here, it takes me to my profile right here. You can see everything here is still in English language. This is because this is a global version of 1688. But if you are using a Chinese version of 1688, there is possibility that you will not see this feature. So for you to get a global version of 1688, if you are using Android phone, just go to your Play Store, download 1688. If you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store and download 1688. Simply log in with your phone number or your Alipay account, and you will be taken to the interface right here, and everything is going to be in written, and everything is going to be in your local language or preferred language. This can be English or whatever language of your choice. So once you download it from Play Store or from App Store, next thing you want to do here, you click on this setting icon right here. Now, when you click on the setting icon, you see currency sections right here. So under the currency section, there are so many means of currency right here. Different country currency has been listed right here. And one great thing here is that whatever currency you are using to pay on 1688, you can easily use this means of payment right here, which is Google Pay, Visa, Apple Pay, and MasterCard and InterSwitch right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to pay with my local currency right here, which is Naira. If I switch to Naira right here, I click on Naira, we still have some of the means of payment right here. We have Google Pay, Visa, Apple Pay, and MasterCard right here, which simply means that these are four means of payment that I can use, provided that I use my local currency. If we switch to another country currency right here, this one here has more means of payment right here, about 6 means of payment. If we choose another country currency here, so every currency depends on the kind of means of payment you're going to have. So let's check on another currency right here. This is another currency. This has about just 4 means of payment. And then we come down right here. We come back to this means of payment. Then you have 4. Then USD right here, which is primarily default. You have about 5 different means of payment right here. And this is an interesting way to pay for your order on 1688 without any hassle, most especially if you are having issue using your Alipay to make payment to your supplier on 1688. It's that simple. If you still have issue with payment to your supplier on 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, Shein, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. I can make payment for your order on 1688 or any Chinese e-commerce app or website. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.